Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have a really big surprise for you guys. Officially, I have rebranded everything. I am no longer All Mommy Wants. I am now lifeshehas.com. And the reason for this rebranding you can find at lifeshehas.com. So be sure to go over there and check it out and see why I decided to change my name and change everything else about me. But that's not all today. I have this box, these boxes behind me right now, and they are filled with some fun stuff. This is a bunch of PR that I got. And the big surprise for you is that everything in these boxes is also going to go to one winner. To enter the giveaway, just keep watching because I'm going to tell you how to do it towards the end. You can also go down to the description box to see exactly how to enter. So one winner will get all sorts of cool stuff. We're going to see what it is. I haven't opened any of the boxes yet, so I am just as excited as you are. And yeah, let's get started. We're going to start off with this one here. It's just a little box. And let's see what it is. Tweexy. Tweexy is a very cool nail polish holder. It's very easy to use. You put it on your finger like a ring. You put your nail polish at the top, and that way you can polish your nails. And with that, I'm also throwing in an O.P.I little gift set here so you can actually use this. Next, we have this, and this is, I'm not sure who this is from, but we're going to find out. Oh, okay. So these are sunglasses, very Instagram-worthy sunglasses. This is perfect for the summer here. One winner is going to win these here. They're very cool. They're kind of a rose gold. And they look very, very cool. I also received these, which these are very cool. I really like these. What do you think? I like it. These ones are going to go to somebody, whoever is going to be the grand prize winner. These are from a brand called LMNT. So be sure to check them out because they do have a lot of really cute sunglasses and everything. So you're going to want to check those out. Next, we have something from a brand called Tickled Pink. This is a scarf. This is great, especially for all of my outdoorsy people because it is also an insect shield. So it's infused with some stuff that will keep the mosquitoes and stuff away while you are out and about. Here it is. It's very sheer. It's very pretty, very summery. It doesn't smell like anything. So you can wear it around your neck. You can't really see it very well because I am also wearing black. But you wear it around your neck. You can wear it as a shawl. It's really big. It's destroying my hair. I know I'm going to use mine. Next, we have this. And this is from a brand called, I love the name of this brand. It's called Confused Girl in the City. And they do a lot of yoga wear and a lot of really fun women's clothing and girls' clothing too, which is very cool. I'm kind of considering getting a few things for my daughter from them. These here, oh, these are gorgeous. They are yoga capris. These are called, I think these are called Forgiveness. I'm not sure. For one winner, they're going to get these, but in your size. And then next we have something that came all the way over from London. And I'm very excited about this because it looks like a really cool brand. The brand is called Empress and they do a subscription box. And you know how much I love my subscription boxes. This one here is not a beauty box. It is a lovely, lovely lingerie box. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. Look at this beautiful print on here. Empress from London. Here's a little card. One winner is going to receive 3 sets of Empress lingerie. So let's check this lingerie out. Sorry, I'm not going to try this one on. Ooh. Okay, first we have a gorgeous card. It says, the stars blinked as they watched her carefully, jealous of her shine. Oh my gosh. Let's talk about my hair color here. In lingerie form, we have a blindfold. Very sexy. We also have this gorgeous bralette, crushed velvet, navy blue. And the back of it is very strappy. I love that. That is so pretty. And then it also comes with a thong here. You know who's going to love this? So one winner is going to get 3 months of this, which is so cool. I'm actually jealous. We have a couple more boxes left, and then I have a few other goodies for you guys too. Next one we have is from Flexwarm, also from England. The winner will have one I mailed directly to them in their size. So whoever's going to win, it's not a big deal. All right. I just hit myself in the face. So what we have here, it's called a Flexwarm, and it is a vest that will keep you warm. Comes with this little charger pack here. It's got, I don't know what this is, but it's got something like this. And then you've got the vest. So basically, my husband has something similar to this. Basically what it is you've got a system in here. If I can find it, here we go. A system in here where you plug in the warmer and it'll keep you nice and warm. And it's really cute. Here we go. Love it. What do you think? Next box we have is from, who is this from? I don't know who this is from. Let's find out. I know who this is from. It's from a brand called And We Evolve. So basically what And We Evolve is a subscription that you can order clothing. They're all clothing that are resold. A lot of things are with tags already, but they sent me a box of stuff and I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to LA in a couple of weeks for Ant-Man and the Wasp. I'm doing some press over there for Disney for them. And so I asked them to send me some clothes that I could wear while I'm down there. And so they did. Ooh, this is some cute stuff. So first thing they sent me was this really cute shirt. And it says, Inspire the Light. And I feel like we all need to be doing that. Inspire that light. So there's one. Next we have a striped blue dress. And this is very cute. It's just a very simple dress. I can see wearing this with a pair of flip-flops. I can see it wearing with some booties. So that is very cute. Oh, we have a bracelet. Very summery. Beautiful bracelet. It's a turquoise. Love that. We have here something from a brand called, I don't know, Yoko Girl. And it is a dress. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my God, I am going to wear the heck out of this in LA. I think this is just adorable. I totally want to layer this up with a bunch of other things like a cute jacket and some sandals. I have the perfect sandals for that. And then the last thing we have here is another really cute top here. This is from Zach and Rachel. And it's a peasant style top, very sheer. I could totally wear this. It's definitely my colors. Love it. So some winner is going to receive a box straight from And We Evolve. And I am very excited for that winner. I have one more thing. I did add a few things to this giveaway myself. These were not sent to me by the brand, but I do love the brand. And so I figured that a winner would get some of these. This is Makeup Revolution. I'm going to get the Unicorns Unite eye palette. Very cool. Somebody's going to get an Ultra Strobe stick. And it's a highlighting stick. And a One Sculpt Contour stick. Love it. And then the last thing is Makeup Revolution Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer. And this is a great color for summer. So these are being added to the pile of stuff. We'll put it right there. So if you want to know how to enter, all you need to do is go to lifeshehas.com and look for the banner that says enter the giveaway. You'll find it there right on the front page. And then you just follow the information and enter. One of the entries is to like and subscribe to this channel. So make sure that you do that and you'll be able to see lots more from me soon. So good luck to everybody. The giveaway will end on July 11th. Make sure that you enter and make sure you like and subscribe and do all of that good stuff. And I will see you again very soon. Thanks. Bye.